Uh, Today we will revise a list. This is the data type of a Python. Remember one thing, list is a mutable sequence. Mutable sequence means we can change the value of elements of a list because it is a mutable in nature. Second one is we it is a sequence. It is in sequence. Why it is in sequence? Because of indexing. There are positive as well as negative indexing. Look at here how I can declare list with the help of square bracket, and within that we declare the elements. And remember one thing, it is a mixture of values. Suppose I can give numeric value, we can give the string value, we can also give a floating value like this. And its index are of two type, positive and negative. First element will be in 0 location, then 1, then 2. And negative indexing start from the end, -1, here is -2, here is -3, like this. So there are two type of indexing. Now we can declare a list, empty list, by using, look at here, is equal to square bracket. So this is the empty list. Even then I also use like L is equal to list. So there are two ways to declare empty list. Next important thing is, on any list we can apply two operators. One is called plus, another is called into. Two arithmetical operator we can apply on a list. Look at here. Suppose I give one list and values are 10, 20, 30, 40, and I declare another list L1. Here I declared 50, 60, 70. So two lists are there. If I use L into 2, look at here, the values replicate. So two times value will be repeated. Look at here, if I'm doing here, it means 3 times. Moreover, if I use here L1 plus L plus L1, so two list will be joined, add हो जाएंगी. Next is, now there are some functions or some methods which we can apply on a list. First method is length. Length is calculate the length of how many elements in a list. Look at here. So 4 elements are in L. So that's why answer is 4. Next method is list method. List method convert any other data type into list. For example, look at here. I give one string. String is suppose name, and I give one name, and after that I use list name. Look at here, list convert the string converted into the list with the help of a list function or method. Now next is index. I have one list L, so elements are there. I use index L dot index 20. So it will tell the 20 is a value, and it will tell us the indexing of 20. Here is 0, here is 1. So index is 1. Manreet, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Now next is if I want to add element in a list, already existing list, there are two methods. There are three methods: append, extend, and insert. If I want to insert only one element, then I will have to use append. But in case I add more than one element with the help of append, indexing will be same. Look at here. I have L is here. If I want to add more than one element, I will have to use extend function. Look at here. L dot extend in bracket, square bracket. I give 50, 60, square bracket close. This is, now look at here. I display L, elements are inserted. If I check the index of 50, so index is 4. I check the index of 60, it is 5. So different elements will get different indexing. But if I use append, but I am going to add more than one element, in that case the elements will share the indexing. It means it will be a nested list or 2D list. Look at here. I use L, values are there. L dot append, in bracket I use 70 comma 80, square bracket close, bracket close. Look at here, I display L. Now look at here, this is the main difference. Now this is in just like a nesting. So it is a nested list inside another list. Suppose now if I want to find out the address of 70, it will not show, because 70 is not a now main element, it is a nested element. So if I want to assess 70, so look at here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I check the index of 6, look at here, I display L6. So look at here, it is 70 and 80. So if I want to display only 70, look at here, L6 is for nested list, and it's 0 element. So it's 0 element. So look at here. Wait. It will show us 70. So this is nesting. Here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is for common here. And in this is a 0 element, this is a 1 element. So any doubt in this? Malik? Malik, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, bache. Next is, if I use insert, we otherwise append and extend function add the element at the end of the list. But in case in between I want to add any element, I will have to use insert function. Look at here, L dot insert. After that, I will have to use indexing. Suppose I want to add at indexing 3. and value is 90. Look at here, 0, 1, 2, in third index value in 90 is inserted. So this is insert function. Now another I have one list L1. If I use clear function L1 dot clear and then I display L1, look at here, all the element will be deleted. List is there, but all the elements of a list will be cleared, deleted. Next is remove. But if I suppose I have a list L, here is a value is 90 and I want to remove this, so I will use the function remove, and in bracket I will take 90, and after the one minute better, here is L dot remove, in bracket I take 90, so I display L. Look at here, 90 is removed, deleted. If I use clear function, it will delete all the element. If I use remove function, it will remove one element from the list. Now next function is count. Count function will calculate number of times and one element appear in the list. Look at here, count L dot count 30. Answer is 1 because it is it is single time in the list. Next is I have list, I use reverse function. Look at here, L dot reverse. So reverse function will reverse the list. I use L. Look at here, list is opposite, totally reversed. So if I again use L dot reverse, now I check, it is now original list. There is another function sort. Sort will sort function will rearrange your data. Suppose I have one list L1, I give the value here 7, 1, 2, 1, 3, and after that I use L1 dot sort. Look at here, I check L1, look at here, it is in ascending order. But in case you want to arrange your data in descending order, okay, in that case I will have to use L1 dot sort for sorting, and then I will have to give reverse equal to true. So look at here, now it is in descending order. So any doubt? If you have any doubt, discuss with me better. Akriti?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, beta. Another, there are some more functions. Max function, it will give us the maximum value. Here is, wait. Okay, look at here, max L1. It is not working on an L because it has a one nested elements. That's why the error message is here. So I use max L1, it will give us 7. If I use min L1, it will give us 1 minimum value. And if I use sum L1, it will give us the sum total 13. So this is all about different functions of a list. I have discussed length function, list, then index, append, extend, insert. There is a one another function pop, remove and pop. Difference is that remove will delete the element value wise, but pop will delete the element index wise. Look at here, I have one list. If I use l dot pop, I want to insert element in first location, first index, that is 20. Look at here, 20 is removed from the list. So I have discussed all the functions. Now we will discuss some programs of list. In your exam there will be some questions for output question. Output means you will have to give the output of the question. So look at here, you will have to find out give the output of following code. I take one list, elements are so these are the elements I use. Okay, beta, who will give the answer of this question? Raise your hands. Read the coding, and after that, give the answer. What will be the output of this question? Ishmanit.
सर 12
Okay, 12.
सर 12 होगा ना सर
Why?
यस सर सम इज इक्वल टू 12 सर बिकॉज सर वो सर जैसे आपने कोड पे लिखा कि सर एल का जो सर वो जो सा एलिमेंट है अगर अगर सर डिवाइड 10 से हो रहा है और सर वो अगर अगर सर वो आ रहा है 2 आ रहा है रिमाइंडर
Small less.
तो
तो
सर 12
तो यहाँ पे 22 भी तो है.
और सर 22 देखा नहीं मैंने सर बाकी 12 भी देखा मैंने
तो अब
तो फिर
22.
34 होगा
Yes.
34 फिर
Yes. Very good answer, beta. It means we declare the list. एक वेरिएबल ले लिया, सम इज इक्वल टू 0, लूप लगाया, आई इन रेंज। बेटा जब आप रेंज यूज करोगे, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, वी आर यूजिंग इंडेक्सिंग। अगर आप इन रेंज यूज नहीं करते, इट मींस यू आर यूजिंग वैल्यू ऑफ द एलिमेंट। So we are using a range. Length L means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. 6 means 1 less. It will execute from 0 to 5. So I value of I is first 0. So L0 को 10 से डिवाइड किया, अगर मॉडल्स 2 आ जाए तो 12 को 10 से डिवाइड किया, मॉडल्स 2 आएगा. It means we will edit that value in the sum. 11 no, 8 no, 2 no, 9 no, then 22 again, modulus is 2, so that is added, so sum will be 34. Look at here, answer is 34. So this type of output questions are from the topic list. Now there are some error finding questions. So look at here, I'm changing the code, and you will have to give the answer what the errors in this coding. Okay, students, rewrite code after correction. Okay, students, who will give the answer of this question? Error after, you will have to rectify the errors. Ishmaneet.
Yes sir.
Okay, beta
सर
error.
फर्स्ट लाइन में सर, यस सर, फर्स्ट लाइन में सर एल पहले आएगा सर, लिस्ट बाद में आएगी.
Okay, students, first error is when we declare the list, it should be like this: L is equal to, then square bracket, and then values, then square bracket close. Second error,
तो सेकंड सर, सर आई छोटा आएगा इफ का.
so it should be, I should be in small because it is a keyword. So keyword always in small letters, except true and false. In true, T is capital, in false, F is capital. Next error,
सर फिर, यस सर, फिर अपने सर वो लास्ट लाइन में सर वो ब्रैकेट्स आएगी.
so
और सर वो ऊपर सर वो, यस और सर एक
yes,
थर्ड लाइन में सर वो कॉलम भी आएगा.
yes, black brackets are there, braces are there. At the
यहाँ पे
end
सर
of
कॉलम भी आएगा.
for loop, there must be colon. So colon provide us indentation because the following commands are the part of for loop. So these are the rewrite code after correction. Now next question is, there are some program, yes, Manvia, yes, your doubt?
सर इन द फोर्थ लाइन इफ के बाद जब आई एंड ब्रैकेट में
Yes,
एल लिखा है वहां
this
पे
is,
एंड
yes,
ऑफ
this
आई.
is a, again, index must be inside square bracket. So this is the now correct coding. Next question is, there are some questions for like write a program. So now I'm going to make a program. Look at here. In your paper, it should be write, but for your practical exam, make a program. Write a program to double all even double all odd values and half all even values of a list. So first I take a list and I take the variety of values, even and odd values, 11, 12, 6, here is 5, then I take here 13, I take here 18. Now for assessing the elements of the list, we will have to use for loop. So I use for I in range, in bracket I use length L, then I use colon. Now I will check whether the element value is even or not. So I will check, I will write the code if Li percentage 2 double equal to 0, it means number is divisible by 0 2, it means it is an even number. In that case I will have to change the value. Then I take Li, so Li is the element value, divide equal to 2, it means element value will be divided by 2. Then I use else, then colon, I use Li into is equal to 2. This is a shorthand. Shorthand, in place of shorthand we can also write Li is equal to Li into 2. So this is a second way. So next is after for loop, print L. So I am executing this program. So look at here, 11 is a odd value, it will be multiplied by 2. 22, 12 is a even value, it is divided by 2. Use it float division here. Float division will give us a result in a integer format. Vanshika, any doubt? Vanshika, any doubt?
No, sir.
Next is now next the topic is tuple, but there is only one difference between list and tuple is that tuple is a sequence, but moreover it is immutable in nature. Immutable in nature means we can't change the value of a tuple element. Look at here, if I take here one L and after that braces, I give the value 12, 3, 6, 7. Now I display the value of T, values are here. But if I want to change the value of any element, it is not possible. Suppose I want to change T0. I know that the value to T0 is 12. If I am going to change this value, suppose I give 10, look at here, error will be there, because in the case of list, nature is mutable. We can change the value of a list element, but it is not possible to change the value of a tuple. Now the function of tuple is again different. The arithmetical operators are same in the case of tuple. Look at here, t is here. If I use t into 2, it will be replication will be there, it will repeat, same value will be repeated. But if I am using t plus 4, it will generate error. But I take another tuple 6 7, I use t plus t1. So this is concatenation. So operators are same, but functions are different. Functions and method in the case of a tuple are totally different. Now I'm going to discuss the different methods and functions of tuple. First is length function. I use length of t. So it will give us 4 because here the values are 12, 3, 6, and 7. So 4 elements are there. So that's why length is 4. But next function is max. This is same in the case of your your list. I use max, and in bracket I take t. So it will tell us 12. Again min t, it will 3. Then I use sum t. These are same as in the case of list. So sum is 28. Now next is count. This is also in the case of a list. Count. Here we will have to use t dot count. Not a all the element, because for counting all the element there is a length function is here. Count 3. It will the answer will be how many times the 3 repeated in the tuple. Next is uh, sort. I use t here t dot sort, but there will be error. Who will tell why this error occurred? Raise your hands. Yes, Manvir.
So tuple is immutable.
Yes, tuple is an immutable data type, so we can't change the value whenever we are sorting the tuple. It means we are rearranging the data, we are changing the values. That's why error is here. Next is, it means sorting. We can't apply sorted sort function or sorted function is there, but we can apply sorted function here. So look at here. I take one variable m is equal to t dot sorted. Look at here. M is equal, wait. Look at here. Value of t is here 12, 3, 6, and 7. I display the value of m. Now it is sorted. Beta, we after sorting here, m is a list. It means we can't change the value of a tuple, but we can change the value of list. So after sorting, now m is we save the value in m. M is here list. So we can also make it as descending order. Look at here, n is equal to sorted, and after that I take t, then comma, reverse is equal to true. Look at here. the sorted method can be used in the case of a list, but who will tell difference between list, sort and sorted? Sort function will change the data in same list, but sorted will create a new list. So now time is over. Tomorrow we will continue with the revision work. Okay, beta.